Hi, so I'm gonna do another unboxing of the Fabulous Planner box, and this is gonna be the classic box. So this month's box is the Wake Up and Makeup, and I got the classic, and then it shows you next month's theme, which is gonna be like fall. Okay. So this is what's in there. A little selfie ring light. And a little washi tape. Some little die cut set of different stickers. A to-do list notepad. A pin, really nice. It's black. It has little rhinestones inside right here. A little crown. And then Halloween washi tape. And some dot stickers. And then a vinyl sticker. Really nice. And then the set of stickers. And this is what's inside the stickers. So it's this one. You get 4 sheets. Very nice. And then in the little box, it was the washi tape. You can tell it's the different types of beauty products. And then the die cut stickers. Just different kinds of beauty products and all that other stuff, you know. We have accessories, and then there's some that have like little sayings. So you get a big variety, a lot of variety of die cuts and little sayings. And I think that's all. So this is all of it. So I got the classic, which you get 4 sticker sheets, 1 pen, 1 washi tape, 1 vinyl sticker, 1 die cut set, 1 set of dotted stickers, 1 selfie ring light, 1 paper sticker note set, and 1 Halloween washi. And that's just the classic. And if you get the luxury, you get all of what's in the classic, plus a laminated dashboard and a set of planner inserts for the month. But since I didn't get the luxury, I only got the classic. So that's it. This is the box. And thank you for watching.